thunderstorms to the forecast area today. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Smaller creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: a general 1 to 3 inches of rain is expected to fall today. Highest amounts are expected in the mountains. However, south of the mountains, slower-moving showers and thunderstorms may develop and also pose a risk for flash flooding, especially in normally prone urban areas. Hikers and campers should keep a close eye on the weather and be alert to any subsequent statements or warnings. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
We're right next to this one. Duh, I couldn't hear you over it. That counts. That's on KZZ 40.
Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
Ooh, the antenna fell.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams.
So that
urban
right there
areas, highways,
is a
streets, and
confirmed flash
underpasses, as
flood
well as
warning.
other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Claremont, New London, Grafton.
Prices and participation may vary. No sales tax in advance.
Next time. Highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Claremont, New London, Grafton, Enfield, Bradford, Newport, Warner, Grantham, Cornish, and Webster. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile markers 29 and 47. This includes the following rec locations:
WTPL went off. Yep.
They retired of writing.
Counts. Cannot get this thing to fucking go off.
Well, today I am absolutely thrilled to have with me Morgan Ortegas, who currently is the founder and leader of
Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source:
I'm an idiot.
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lebanon, Grafton, Hanover, Enfield, Keenan, Grantham, Lyon, Dorchester, and Plainfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile markers 40 and 60.
Florida. Somebody hit the... As a young Morgan growing up in Florida.
Two young Morgans, because I have my identical twin. So having an identical twin, especially one with such a similar name, is sort of like having.
I heard the Accurate go off. Unrecognized warning. Close enough.
Until 8:30 p.m. Rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: at 5:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy wind due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area.
Couldn't get my camera out.
The rain has been reported in the region from last night and today.
Whoa.
Locations that will experience flooding include Keene, Claremont, effect.
Oh my god. The 8510 finally went off. Yes! Ha 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 ha.
And York. When, until 8:45 p.m. Impacts, flooding rivers,
I'm recording! Stop being the, I don't know.
locally, over 3 inches has fallen across portions.
My dad calls me. Look! Look at this. I'm filming the entire thing. I'm not, not anymore. No.
Recreation forecast for summits above 4,000 feet in northern New Hampshire.
That time the 8510 didn't go off.